Hi, my name is Shivram and I'm in second grade. Today, I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in less than 2 minutes. I can solve a Rubik's Cube in less than 2 minutes using this strategy. Here's some information you will need to know before you start. This is R. This is R prime. This is L. This is L prime. This is U. This is U prime. This is F. This is F prime. This is B. This is B prime. Here are some algorithms you'll use while solving. This algorithm will be called the righty algorithm. This is what you will do. R, U, R prime, U prime. Another algorithm will be called the lefty algorithm. It is L prime, U prime, L, U. Another algorithm you'll use is the up algorithm. The up algorithm is U, R prime, U prime, R. Now we are ready to begin. Let me scramble this cube. Now let us begin. What we should do is you want to make a daisy around the yellow centerpiece. You want to make one of these pieces go on this piece. But what you'll do is after you're done, it will look like this. This is how the daisy looks. It has a yellow centerpiece and 4 edge pieces surrounding it. It doesn't matter what color the corner piece is. Next, you want to match this piece and this piece, the centerpiece and the edge piece, and do F 2 times. And do that and repeat for all the sides. Next, you want to take a corner piece with white on it and put a side, and this one, for example, this is green and it matches the green centerpiece. This is orange and it matches the orange centerpiece. You want to turn it for it to match the centerpieces and hide the piece on the opposite side of your pieces in and bring the bottom layer and then put the piece back in and put it back down. And repeat all of for all of the pieces. Now your white side and the first layer should be solved. Next, you want to solve the second layer. First, get a piece with no yellow on it and bring it for it to match the centerpiece. Determine if it should go right or left. If it needs to go to the left, You have to determine because the top should match the centerpiece. This stops going to the left because it has the blue centerpiece and it matches, and this is with the red centerpiece. And then if you want to put it there, do U prime the righty algorithm, the lefty algorithm, and then turn left, do the right algorithm, and the piece is solved. And if you need to put it to the right, do U, the righty algorithm, turn right, and do the lefty algorithm. Repeat the same for all the pieces. Or if I want a piece for there, but the piece is stuck, put a random piece in, and then get the piece out and put it in the place it needs to go. And then repeat for all. Next, you have solved the first two layers and the white side. Next, there's 3 stages you can be in. 1, a V-shaped, 2, a line, and 3, a dot. If a dot, put the first 2 layers, these 2 layers, and then put it like that, and then do the lefty alg. Do front, and then do the lefty alg. The righty alg. Rhythm. And then you'll come to the line or a V. If you have a line or V, do front and do the right algorithm. And then you get a yellow cross. Next, you want to match a corner piece with its color. This is correctly placed because it's between the blue, red, and yellow centerpieces. At least you want 2 corner pieces correctly like this. If not, do the righty algorithm 3 times and turn right and do the lefty algorithm 3 times. But when you have 2 corners correctly placed, do the non-correct. If you have all correctly placed, you can skip this step. But if you want to switch 2 corners, do the righty algorithm 3 times, and then turn and do the lefty algorithm 3 times. But when you're done, you want to put the yellow side facing you, and then you want to get one of the corner pieces and do the up algorithm until the piece is solved. The other pieces might be messed, but when you do the last non-solved piece, they'll rejoin. And then move on to the other pieces. Don't rotate your whole cube. Do a front for the piece. But remember, your piece should be on your top right corner. And repeat. And then all 4 corners should be in their correct place. But at least one side should be solved. If not, do the righty algorithm 1 time, the lefty algorithm 1 time, the righty algorithm 5 times, 3, 4, 5, and do the righty algorithm 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at least one side should be solved. When one side's solved, put the finished side facing you and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes you might have to do the last step 2 times to finish the full cube. But you just solved the Rubik's Cube. Good job.